Travels. This summer we spent a little bit of time in Italy, and one of the places we went was Venice. And in Venice I bought myself the Bialetti Mukka Express, which you've heard the name Bialetti before because they make the espresso makers. Well, this is an espresso and cappuccino maker, but you know what I'm going to show you how to make today is a chai tea latte. I'm going to take the machine apart and show you how this works. The top part just screws off of the bottom, and Bialetti gives you this handy little pitcher for water. The bottom line is set for gas and the top line is set for electric. So I'm using a gas, so I filled my water line up to that mark. Pour it into the base, and we're going to add our tea right into the basket that you would put your coffee in. So I'm just using 1 scoop of tea. That will actually be plenty. We're going to line up the top to the bottom and make sure it clicks into place properly or tightens into place properly. Now the handle is going to pretty much line up with the valve. It's going to be on the same side. We're going to add the milk into the top, but first I want to quickly show you. Inside there's a line, and that's where you're going to fill the milk up to. And then you need to pull up the wings, they call it. Next we're going to add the milk. We're going to fill the milk up to the line. We close the lid and we press down to make the milk foam. Turn on the heat. The milk started steaming at about the 2-minute and 20-second mark. You can see it bubbling up in the spout a little bit. The little cappuccino button at the top will pop up when it's ready. The whole process takes about 4 minutes. So the chai tea has come up into the milk and made a lovely chai tea latte. There you go. I actually timed that just to see how long it would actually take. So that took exactly 5 minutes to make 1 chai tea latte.